Welcome back, crafters! Today we're showing you how to create this beautiful globe shelf sitter using a mix of 2 stencils. It's such a meaningful holiday project, and you can find everything we're using today on our website, magnoliadesignco.com. Let's get started. We're beginning with the Conspiracy of Love stencil. Place it directly onto your globe shelf sitter. We like to hold it up to the light for just a second to make sure that the globe outline is perfectly centered. Once it looks good, smooth it down so there are no air bubbles. Next, grab your paintbrush squeegee and some coal black chalk paste. Gently load up your brush and start working the paste right over the globe outline. This brush makes it easy to stay controlled on these curved shapes. Once the outline is covered, it's time for everyone's favorite part, the peel and reveal. Lift your stencil up and admire that perfect globe. Let this layer dry completely before moving on. Now it's time to bring in our second stencil. The In Him Was Life stencil. We're only using part of the design here. Position the stencil so Jesus, Mary, Joseph, and the star sit right inside of the globe. Take your time lining it up so everything is framed nicely. Once it's placed, press it down, and again, we're only applying chalk paste to the portion that falls inside the globe. This is what gives the illusion that the nativity scene is inside the globe. Carefully apply your chalk paste and then peel and reveal. It's simple but so stunning. You can absolutely stop here, but we decided to take it a step further and add the words around the outside of the globe. This part is just place and peel, working slowly around the curve so everything follows this shape. Don't rush it. Little details like this make a huge difference in the final look. To finish it off, we added a bit of distressing around the edge of the shelf sitter, and that's it. A peaceful, meaningful Christmas project using 2 stencils that layer perfectly. If you want to create this exact look, everything we used today is available on our website. You'll find the stencils and surface under the holiday collection. Happy crafting, and we can't wait to see your version.